In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change user permissions in QuickBooks Online. We'll walk through the process of updating a user's access so they have the right level of permission for their role. This is especially useful when someone's responsibilities have changed and you need to make sure they can only access the parts of QuickBooks that are relevant to their work. To get started, go to QuickBooks Online and make sure you're signed in to the correct company account. Since user permissions affect access to important financial areas, it's a good idea to double check that you're working in the right file before making any changes. Once you're in QuickBooks, look for the Settings option. This is where many administrative controls are located, including company settings and user management. Click on Settings to open the menu. From there, select Manage Users. This will take you to the area where you can view everyone who currently has access to the account, along with their existing roles and permissions. If your business has multiple users, take a moment here to identify the correct person before editing anything. Next, locate the user you want to modify, and in the Action column, click Edit. This opens that user's settings so you can update what they're allowed to see and do inside QuickBooks. Now open the Roles drop-down menu. Here, you'll choose the new access level you want to assign. Different roles provide different levels of visibility and control, so choose carefully based on what that person actually needs. In general, it's best to give users only the access necessary for their job, which helps keep your financial data secure and organized. After selecting the new role, adjust any account management settings if they apply to that role. Depending on the access level you choose, QuickBooks may show additional options that let you fine-tune what the user can manage. Review these settings carefully so the permissions match your intended level of access. Once everything looks correct, click Save Changes. QuickBooks will then apply the updated permissions to that user's account. And that's it. You've successfully changed user permissions in QuickBooks Online. After saving, it can be helpful to briefly review the updated role in the user list to confirm the change was applied correctly. Keeping user permissions up to date is a simple but important part of protecting your business information and making sure each team member has the tools they need without unnecessary access.